Today I'm going to show you how to make a shuriken or a ninja paper star. Kind of made a small and a big one. I'm going to show you the bigger one today. It's kind of fun to do two colors, and the colors we're going to use today will be pink and green. And what you do is start off with one of the colors and you fold it in half. Make sure you match your corners. Crease, and then open it up and fold it inside to that line that you just created and crease it, and the same thing on the other side. Line it up and crease it and fold it shut. Same thing with your other color. Now, I like to keep it so that it matches itself very well. I kind of put the folds on the inside, or the flaps on the inside. So I lay them side by each so I know I'm doing them opposite, just to keep me from making it wrong. So you fold it over, make sure it comes to a point. Can't have a ninja star or a shuriken without a nice point. So these are folding in, which means these at the bottom have to fold out. So they're not only opposite of each other, they're from the top to the bottom, they're opposite of each other. So these came down and in, these were in and come out. So what you're going to do is take one of these off to the side, and you are going to bring your top outside edge to here to kind of finish it and make a point, like that. And then you're going to turn it over and bring this up to that edge. So you kind of have a Z, so it's going like this. So we'll do the same thing on the other side. Okay, so you have opposite sides, and what you need is, in order to tuck it in, you need one on the top and you need one to the bottom. So I'm going to turn this over, and then I'm going to cross it on the back side. So this side has that double and this side has that double. Line it up, and what you're going to do is, I'm just going to start with the pink here. This has to get folded over down like this, and this one's going to end up coming in. So you're going to pre-crease them a little bit, bring it back out, and this just tucks inside the green, just like that. And then this one is going to tuck inside the middle here. You might have to shift it a little bit so it'll lay pretty flat, so it kind of looks like this. You're going to turn it over and do the same thing with the green. And there you go, a ninja star. Thanks.